Amy Dowden, the beloved professional dancer from Strictly Come Dancing, has once again demonstrated her remarkable resilience and unyielding spirit in the face of adversity. In a heartfelt update shared with her devoted fans, she revealed that her second mastectomy had proceeded smoothly, marking yet another milestone in her ongoing journey through breast cancer treatment. This procedure, which came shortly after her initial diagnosis and a series of grueling therapies, underscores not just the physical challenges she has endured but also the emotional fortitude that has endeared her to millions. Lying in her hospital bed, surrounded by the comforting presence of her husband Ben and other family members, Amy captured a moment of normalcy amid the recovery process. One where she even tuned in to watch the Celebrity Traders final, refusing to let her circumstances dim her passion for entertainment and connection with the world outside. This update arrives on the heels of a year filled with profound trials for the Welsh dancer, who first learned of her breast cancer diagnosis in May 2023. What began as a routine checkup quickly escalated into a whirlwind of medical interventions. The initial mastectomy to remove the affected tissue, followed by chemotherapy sessions that tested her body's limits, fertility preservation procedures to safeguard her future dreams of motherhood, and a harrowing battle against sepsis that brought her perilously close to the edge. Sepsis, a life-threatening response to infection, is a complication that strikes fear into the hearts of many cancer patients, as it can overwhelm the immune system already weakened by treatment. For Amy, this episode was particularly terrifying, involving intensive care and a fierce fight for survival. Yet, through it all, she has maintained an air of optimism, using her platform to raise awareness about early detection and the realities of living with cancer. In her message, Amy expressed deep gratitude for the outpouring of support that has flooded in from fans and fellow dancers alike. "Thank you for all the messages and love," she wrote, apologizing for her delayed responses as she only just mustered the energy to check her phone. The exhaustion of surgery is no small matter. It involves not only the physical toll of anesthesia and incision but also the mental fog that can linger for days. Sleep and rest, as she emphasized, have been her primary focuses, allowing her body to begin the slow but steady process of healing. It's a reminder of how recovery is as much an internal dialogue as it is a medical one, learning to surrender to rest when one's nature is to push forward, to dance through the pain. What stands out most in Amy's post is the unwavering support system encircling her. Her husband, Ben Jones, a fellow dancer whose partnership with her both on and off the Strictly floor has been a source of inspiration, has been by her side, tending to her needs with quiet devotion. Family members, too, have rallied, creating a cocoon of warmth in the sterile confines of the hospital. But it's the arrival of her besties, close friends who showed up unannounced with the goods, that adds a layer of levity to the narrative. These are the people who understand that healing isn't just about medicine. It's about reclaiming joy in small acts, like turning a hospital room into a viewing party for a beloved show. The tradition of watching traders together speaks volumes about Amy's character. Even in vulnerability, she clings to rituals that ground her, that remind her of who she is beyond the patient gown. The response from the dance community has been equally touching. Diane Buswell, another Strictly stalwart known for her vibrant energy and empathetic nature, penned a simple yet profound message: "Heal and rest up, Amy." It's a sentiment echoed across social media, where fans have flooded timelines with stories of how Amy's journey has motivated them to prioritize their own health checkups. One viewer shared how Amy's openness prompted her to schedule a mammogram after years of procrastination, potentially saving her life. Another recounted attending a Strictly live tour, where Amy's performances, pre-diagnosis, had ignited a spark of confidence in her own body, teaching her that dance is a language of empowerment, not perfection. This second mastectomy, while daunting, represents a proactive step in Amy's treatment plan. For those unfamiliar with the nuances of breast cancer care, a bilateral mastectomy, removing both breasts, is often recommended in cases where there's a high risk of recurrence or to achieve symmetry and psychological closure. Amy's decision reflects a blend of medical advice and personal agency, a choice made not in fear but in determination to reclaim her narrative. Post-surgery, the road ahead includes reconstruction options, physical therapy to regain strength, and ongoing monitoring. Yet Amy's update hints at her readiness for this phase. By sharing a photo from her bed, drains and all, she normalizes the rawness of recovery, stripping away the gloss often associated with celebrity health stories.